In this video, I've got an absolutely magical kind of passion fruit and vanilla vodka highball. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. As I just said, passion fruit is the theme of this cocktail. I love passion fruit. I love kind of those tropical fruity kind of flavours. Absolutely love that. It's my palate right to a T. I've created this kind of very simple six ingredient, whatever it is, ingredient cocktail. Absolutely delicious. That is just, oh my God, that's so good. Kind of cherry notes in there, vanilla punches through, but with the passion fruit. And of course, passion fruit, we know passion fruit and vanilla goes really well because of like the whole porn star martini. So I know a lot of you will have some kind of passion fruit at home. When I talk about the recipe in a second, I do kind of mention the other kind of ingredients you could use instead of Monin, but this is just, because they're long life, shelf stable, you know, the Monin syrups just really do work a treat. This cocktail, this is just kind of really stunning. Proper kind of, it's not overly sweet either. It's kind of, for me, perfectly kind of balanced. A lovely hint of fruity sweetness to it. But just absolutely perfect. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. Right, let's quickly talk you through the ingredients that we're going to use. Obviously, we're going to use Monin's Passion Fruit Syrup because that's what the video is all about. But Drinkstuff also sell, you know, you could use passion fruit purees. There, you know, whatever takes your fancy. You just want something kind of passion fruit. So we've got that. I'm going to go vanilla vodka. I've got Licor 43, which is kind of like, we use it as a vanilla liqueur, but it's lots of 43 herbs and spices in there, but the overriding flavour is vanilla. I've got some lime juice. I've got some Sprite, and then I'm going to do something a little bit crazy with the Cherry Heering at the end. So, shaken cocktail, this one. Ingredients wise, I'm going to go, start off with the vodka. I'm going to go, I love this punchy sort of vanilla vodka. I'm going 45 ml, so 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. And there's the first ingredient. Second ingredient is my Licor 43. Spin that around so you can see it. I'm going 15 ml, half an ounce of Licor 43. Go. I'm going to go for my lime juice. Again, 15 ml of lime juice. I just use this for the drink stuff. They sell it, it's great, it's long life, shelf stable lime juice. There's like a tiny amount of antioxidant in there, like minuscule amount, just to kind of keep it shelf stable, but it just works a treat. Saves you juicing limes. Going 15 ml, half an ounce of that. So that's all the ingredients I'm going to do. Oh no, I've forgotten my passion fruit. There we go. Going 15 ml of my passion fruit syrup. As I say, if you are using the ODK passion fruit would be exactly the same, kind of 15 ml, because it is kind of sugar based as well. The Funkin' Passion Fruit Puree is virtually pure puree, so you're going to need to use a bit of sugar if you go with that. So again, you could use that. You could use 25 ml of Funkin' Passion Fruit, but just add a tiny little bit of sugar to it. So, and let's pop that this side now. There we go. Let's leave it there. Right, I'm just going to ice this down and give it a good old shake up. 10-12 seconds. As always, you know the drill. Right. Here we go. Right. Next ingredient, I'm going for some Sprite. As always, I'm going to pour this straight into my my shaker so I don't have to stir it once it's in the cocktail. So I'm going 60 ml, 2 ounces of Sprite in there. I'm still not quite there with the Cherry Heering. So I'm going to serve it up. I've got a load of new glasses come through from Drinkstuff. This is pretty cool. I love that. I'm going to single strain this in there. Lovely jubbly. I'm then going to top it up with some crushed ice. Bit mix of pebble ice, bit of crushed ice. You watch me spill it all over the bar. There we go. Right, that'll do for now. Mix of pebble and crushed ice in there. Right, now I'm just going to kind of create kind of like, you know, like a sunset kind of thing going on, you know, like the tequila sunrise kind of thing. So, Cherry Heering's bright red, lovely kind of luscious cherry notes. I'm just going for 10 ml because I don't want it too sweet. So 10 ml, and I'm just going to sort of pour that through, and that'll gently bleed through the cocktail. Can we see that? Oh, look at that. Look at that on the close-up. That looks magicals. And there we go. You can crown it with a bit more crushed ice. Not too much more. There, that'll do. And then just garnish-wise, I'm just going to go for a passion fruit. If you want even more passion fruit or Monin inspiration, pop it up on screen, dive into one of those videos right there. As always, if you like me, if you like the video, give us a big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.